So we got kitchen.
Yeah.
Kitchen in here with tons of fresh planting.
Yeah, no planting.
Uh-huh.
We have no planting, we don't sell plant. We don't sell plant, we cook planting for the guests them. Fry, boil, ripe one, because if you could see right there now, we have a lot of ripe one. Yeah.
Alright.
And we have a lot in the farm scene. We have all different type of banana we have.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Alright. Next up we got the little hangout, or what do you call this area? This dining room kind of?
Oh, we just eat breakfast in there, but no, we're gonna make it larger.
Oh yeah?
Yes!
Oh cool.
Yes, man! Let me know buy it, we have everything Pete already, you know. When I see it come up, that come up not too long, you know. You are gonna see it. And people are gonna put it up.
Sweet. So this is the chill room, which you've seen for a long time, and a guy even made a mini sculpture of this. I'll link it below. But
oh, whoa! Hold on, them. May I have something in be put on, you know. Yeah, man. I like a picnic and like it. Wait. Okay. That's how you put it.
there's a big callaloo plant.
Ratty, you can't do that. Stop.
Anyway, while Mokko was finding his thing, I'll show you this yard here. Callaloo plant.
One was big callaloo tree.
Huge callaloo tree.
Yeah.
Massive. Lots of mint over there too.
Yeah. Lots of black mint over there. Black mint.
Okay. This dog is Chucky because he came from Rasta Chucky. Getting feeding soon too.
Yeah, the big food, big bag of feeding.
This is all mint here.
This is all mint, brother. This is all tea mint.
The new house.
Yeah.
New house looks killer.
I can never even sleep in there more.
I know. So we've been doing movie night in there.
Yeah.
How many DVDs you got now?
Well, millions, man. Billions, man.
Pretty much every movie made, I think he's got in there on DVD.
Yeah. Fresh, that TH9 drink.
Okay. Do you want to show off the inside of this house?
Yeah, you can carry it, you know.
Yeah?
You can carry some boil.
Yeah, I'm going to take some for the road. Yeah.
We're going to boil a good cup of tea.
Yeah. Should we check out the inside?
Well, it's not the house,
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
But me not have no key, I have to go in.
Okay, well we can tour the rest of the stuff first. That's okay.
I mean, I'm not color to see to do again. See?
Yeah. All the flowers coming up.
Yeah. And Mokko can't get them to heat too. But the Mokko won't eat these. Mokko left them to get the seed. But all of these little ones, they have them to cook to the guests, them, you know. Now these whole ones, you know, people know, if you look on them whole ones, you know, them I talk, you know, because them I can't eat. We're speaking about these big young ones. The mask, hallelujah mask. The mask we put over my face. And the business they want to see me and eat again.
Oh yeah. You can do a shot of that after. I broke this with my fat ass the other day. I swear I wasn't doing anything and I knocked the whole thing down, but this thing was rotten. It wasn't my fault. Alright. So we got kind of storage room in that one.
We rent it too, people going
Yeah, it's got 2 beds. So when you have a big family come, you got enough room. How many beds do you have now? Of rooms? You got like...
1, 2, 3,
5, 6.
Yeah, and 3 over there.
So 9, 10 people if you had to.
Yeah, 10 beds.
This is my favorite cabin because it's the biggest.
Yeah,
Let's have a look.
we have about 10 beds.
10, that's huge.
Yeah,
So this is where I stay.
11.
11. Yeah. So this is where I stay. You got windows to let in the breeze. Really nice. 2 comfortable beds. Mosquito net if you need it, although it's been pretty good. I keep all my gear on here. Sleep on that one. Tons of storage. Clothing line. Very comfortable at night. Cools off nice.
Yeah.
That's the one room. And then these are the first cabins you built when you built the place?
Yeah. When Diane them was there, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the first. And this is the first one that Diane put up.
Uh,
This one is the first one. And this one make that one.
so that's the first one I stayed in
Yeah.
back in the day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we can look in this one too. So same thing, you got nice and dry. You got a couple of shelves in here. Actually, I like that. I'd love to get some shelves in the other one. Big up McAllis, Patrick. The New Brunswick from Browning.
Yeah, Mark and Line.
Mark and Line brought that. Yeah. Nice bed, nice mattress. We got these, enough devices you can plug in. Lights. Yeah. And other room, pretty similar. But Darius is in there now, so we don't have to show that.
I have to show that somebody in that one.
Yeah. Let's see the bathroom, because people ask about the bathroom. Because I don't always show it on video, obviously. People go, what? There's no bathroom? I'm like, come on.
Come on.
Just look in the back. So, shower. Although, if you're here, just go in the river. It's so much nicer.
Nice.
Right? Like, I'll go in here at night sometimes if I want a quick cool off. But generally, I'm in the river. We're all on the river, right?
Yeah, river we know, so we can use bathroom on the river.
So much better.
Better,
Yeah. And then you got modern toilet, sink, everything you need in here. Mirror, light, all covered up. Yeah. The water's running just fine.
Yeah.
You can drink this water, but the spring water's nicer. But
Yeah, that come from the earth. A higher heights.
yeah.
Higher heights water that come from the earth. No laundry, eh? No laundry don't use.
Yeah, it's clean. And it works almost all the time too. Nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Coffee now started to ripe.
Plenty of coffee. Yeah. Lots of coffee.
Yeah.
Here's the other little room.
Yeah.
Clothesline. Yeah. You got the keys to the other house?
Yeah, now we'll take it out.
Okay.
No.
Let's go get it. This is your old house
Yeah, man.
that you lived in here for so long. Just a little room. You always liked the little room.
Yeah.
So this is the original Mokko's room. The old TV.
Yeah, man, we'll fix it.
Yeah.
I mean, like it so much.
Yeah,
But when
yeah.
I go fix it, I go put it in the new building when I make over there.
Rati, that's not a toy, man.
Rati, don't do that, man. Where I make the video, can I make the video with night, brother? Then you know still I go make night, man.
Oh dear. Power tools. Dangerous. Rati, not in the dirt, man. You're gonna ruin the blade. I heard dirt, bro. I saw the blades already busted.
No cut nothing yet, man. No cut nothing yet. Yo,
Rati, stop, man.
stop, my man.
All right. Oh, yo. You got a couple of good mattresses on here.
Well,
Wow.
it's really high, end, huh?
Yeah.
I told you now.
Double.
Double.
Yeah. The new house is great. It's a 3-bedroom, right?
Yeah.
3 room.
3 room.
So cool. Huge. Oh, this is your new. This is the new one where you stay, yeah?
I don't see another one.
No?
I'm sleeping on the line yet.
Ah. Oh, this is the one you're getting the bed for.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So a whole other room.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice shutters.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, those are good, man.
Yeah, man. The girl I say, him in angry is kind of, you know, trust people that people are coming. Yeah, come and find a little year and I'm buying the show.
No. I've been coming here since 2010. Smooth sailing every time I'm on the yard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Knock on wood, but it's a very calm place, man. Jamaica, they only talk about bad stuff, but Jamaica is such a chill place to visit, especially when you come to the country, right?
Yeah.
It's a whole different planet.
From in the town here.
Town, yeah.
Yeah.
And even town is chill, I'm gonna say, but
Yeah.
you know, the countryside, it's
Super.
good people,
Yeah.
really solid. Like you'll have a nice time. All right.
No. Never. We could keep here, you know. And this one not. See that?
Yeah. I didn't even know this was back here.
Yeah. Now I go put the something where you can lean back, you know.
Yeah.
I may have the board right out there to lean back.
Wicked.
Yeah. So, and that people I'm up on. And one get some color can deal with one from the back.
Yeah.
We need color skin people. When they put up the hammock, you can't come down. You can't run and naked. Nobody not trouble you know. Cause me won't fuck around.
Well, you might get trouble by a mosquito, but
well, you not get no trouble by mosquito then.
yeah.
Cause I got a time where them come and then go.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So hammock
You can hear me and so.
ready to go.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Cause them well right then I broke, you know. A lot good then, you know.
Cool.
Cause then I put to make hammock. That you know, oh, if you want some color, you can come right here. You see how the yard stay? Nobody can see in there, you know.
Good. All right, let's go see that theater room.
Yeah.
One of my favorite rooms. We watch a lot of good shows here.
Yeah.
Favorites are Army of Darkness.
Yeah.
Anything with Jason Statham, like the one we watched the other night. I love the porch here too. Do all our trim in here. All right, this is the movie room.
Yeah, man. They look rough.
Yeah.
I'll be able to clean it out tomorrow.
Yeah, in progress, just getting cleaned up.
Yes, sir. I never sleep in here, you know. I go.
Yeah.
There's
Nice bed, fan.
everything.
There's the DVDs.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Bunch load, you know.
Ninja Assassin.
Oh.
African movies, American movies.
Hard type of movie.
So many. Oh, there's Jason Statham right there. The Mechanic. Yeah, you said you had it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we watched that one the other day.
Yeah.
Awesome.
All of them, yeah.
Whoa. My God, I need a picture of this.
Man, old
That's
bag.
amazing.
Have movie, man.
You want to watch a show? This is the theater.
Yeah. You want to watch movie? Come by Rasta if you like movie. We can watch it every night. Drink ganja tea if you want.
Every selection.
Yeah, every selection. Look over there.
Yeah. Even more. Sweeper. Wow. Look at that one. Montel Williams, isn't that? Whoa. I didn't even know he was an actor.
Look under the box.
Or am I thinking Montel Jordan? Oh!
Look over there.
Whole
One
box
back
of
right
stack. Yeah. And then this is the new TV?
Yeah, man. Like 3 minutes.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we fit a good amount of people in here, whole family, chilling and watching movies, so that's
I
great.
enjoy my people and come here too. They like it too.
Yeah. Good idea for desk cover.
Yeah.
Yeah, sick. That's awesome. All right. Well, maybe I'll go run show people the river and yeah. Anything else you want to say to people coming to visit? Or?
Oh, yeah. What do we got? Go to river, man.
Big yard.
Yeah.
So if it's pandemic, you can do your quarantine here too, right?
Yeah.
Because I do my 8 days. I did a 14-day last year.
Yeah.
We got Papa's old house, Mokko's house too. There's another one there. Shauna's building a house here.
Yeah, same thing.
Yeah. We got lots of tea drying.
No.
In progress. We got Dorette's place getting painted up. This kitchen got fixed up since last year. Looks quite a bit bigger.
This year, yeah.
This year? Oh, it just got done recently.
Yeah,
Okay.
one.
And then Koopie's house is looking awesome. And these are the sweet potatoes. Farm as far as the eye can see.
Yeah.
Another bathroom.
That bathroom.
And not to mention you got all higher heights too.
Yeah.
Which you're not going to see on this tour. You can watch another video for that. But yeah, river's right down here.
Yeah.
So close.
Yeah, so cool and so close. And we have a lot of folk for look for food.
Yeah.
So all the pandemic we don't go out. When they lock down the place, we don't go out. We eat all these food. We eat food because we have a lot of food.
So good. Yeah, the river is so clean. So the big river down there is the Plant and Garden River,
Yeah.
which has a lot more houses on it, right?
Yeah,
so
yeah,
it tends to be not as clean, but
Not
this
as
one
clean.
here,
This come right from the hills. Not a lot of house.
yeah, there's barely any houses.
Yeah.
So super clean.
It's super clean, man.
Yeah. I'll take a quick walk to the river.
And down there, over there have turtle.
Yeah, cool.
That's the Turtle River.
Huh.
But a lot of people on it. I don't drink that water. I am going to cross it.
Yeah, I don't drink that one. This one I'll drink.
Yeah. This one at the foundation.
Gianna, what up? Chicken time? Anyway, it's been raining a bit, so there's like a few mosquitoes here, but it's usually not that bad at all.
Yeah, they're pretty cool out, man.
Yeah, they got hot for a little bit. Yeah. Oh, look, a big garnet. I don't know if you can see from here, but... Or what do you call them? Garling.
Garland.
Big blue,
Garland.
big head.
Janga garland.
Janga, they eat the liver of Janga. Awesome. Oh, he's gone. Upriver. All right. I think that's the tour, yeah?
Yeah.
Did we hit everything? All right. Well, I'll link everything below if you want to come visit Mokko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come visit me and watch the big farm, cause right now I go plant it up, I go plant down there now. Every day we will do more and more work there, you know. Cause a lot of work down there going on down there too, you know.
This guy's here. Rati. All right. Well, that's the tour.
Yeah. And if you want guinea, who like guinea, come and eat guinea. Them?
Yeah. There's a
Them.
tree full of guinea.
Tree full of guinea.
More guinea than you could imagine.
But you can eat.
Yeah. I'll even show you the fruit right here. See all that?
You like it?
That's guinea. Full.
Yeah, you like it?
All right. That's the tour. Thanks for
Yeah.
watching.
Yeah.
No, man, Koopie said breadfruit.